Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to announce a new job on LinkedIn. So go for your LinkedIn account first and now go for your profile. Okay, then go for add profile section, go for add position, and now you have to just add your new job title here, which is video video editor, and choose your employment type and your company name. Okay, so this is my company, and location, you have to enter your location here, and location type, which is on site for my then enter your starting date. Okay. Oh, skip the end date because you are just starting this, and then you have to enter your industry name, industry till here. So you can see, I'll uh, just add my industry here. Then you can just uh, enter your descriptions and uh, profile headline from here, that video editor, whatever you want. Then you can add your skills from here, or from this default, by default um, skills. So whatever, video or Adobe Lightroom. Okay, and you can add your media from your computer or link, then go for just save. Okay, you can go for next, and you can also post it on your timeline. So I'm not gonna do it, and go back. Okay, it's correct. Yes, or no, or just keep it, and you are done. You can see here, this is done. So guys, this is how you can uh, post a new job in the or announce a new job on LinkedIn. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.